Alright guys, we're back. I made something kind of neat. The great idea. Great idea, get it? It didn't work out too well. I took two pieces of this crap. I don't know what you call this stuff. They use it when they build garages or general steel type buildings. It's one sheet like a tray that goes up across a doorway, I guess, where they prepare to hang drop ceiling, whatever. You construction experts can tell me in the comments below what it is. But I took one side, drilled some holes, made that's right, place for the air to draw through. It fits in, as you guessed it, like this, the back. And I already did a successful test on it. And I left this in inadvertently, didn't do it on purpose, it's just the material I had. But it worked out for the best, because now I can use this as a shovel when I get the big pieces out. That's neat. It's a one-stop shop. See, the pile of fresh ashes down there came out of this. So you have an ash catch, okay, where the very fine, there's no chunks that come through here once this starts burning. These little stoves are very efficient. Very efficient. So all it is pure white ash that will fall through that. And we had some chunks because I just kind of let the fire go out. But this can be used, whatever's left over, as a little scoop, little shovel. We're actually going, I think we're going to build these and put them up on the interwebs for people to buy if they choose to. Or they can make it themselves. Sure won't cost you more than $5. Unless you have to buy a big 8-foot piece of this. But anyways, we did a successful test of the stove. I wanted to show you this way. It was cool. Okay. And we'll try to see if we can't extract some more stuff out of here. Big chunks out of the way. But once you get those chunks out of the way, it will work. Fine. It'll be great. So, we're going to return probably when it cools off. It's like 90 degrees out here. And we're going to do a test. And we're actually going to, emergency situation. We're desperate. We've got it built. We used what we had. I did not pre-plan this out. Okay. I just happened to have this. I found this at work, attached to a 2x4. And I thought, that might come in handy. I'm going to put it in the pile. If you don't have a nagging old lady telling you, to throw stuff away every time you get it, then you can have a strategic pile of stuff that, lo and behold, in an emergency situation, I'm using quite a bit that's in that pile. So we'll return when we build a test fire and we'll rebuild it. Our little rocket buddy is going to work well. First test, it worked awesome. So we're going to set this up. I'm going to build a quick fire with this you see on the table. And we're going to see if we can get it up, to the point where we can start burning bigger pieces of wood. How quick? Just that. That's all. Scraps. Very effective. We'll be back. Okay, here we go. I'll lay it back. This stuff's cheap. The best thing to use here will be Vaseline, petroleum jelly, and cotton. Don't have no petroleum jelly, so we have to use what we have. We're simulating a real survival situation. Let's give it a good soaking and get ready. And there we go. That easy. It is that easy. We'll put these last two in there for good measure. Okay. Little rocket belly works awesome. So we have it up to speed, or stove is primed, whatever you want to call it. It's ready to really start adding wood to and get to cooking.